Namaskar. In this video we will discuss about results, overarousal. Results. As the programs progressed, it became evident that one of 5 distinct patterns of responses in the autonomic nervous system invariably appeared. Accordingly, a suitable program of yogic practices was made available to balance the specific tendencies reflected in each response pattern. These 5 types and their corresponding practices are listed below. Overarousal. These subjects will record a low initial BSR. Tests 4 and 5 showed an overreaction to stress or stimulus and an inability to relax afterwards. Characteristically, this type of person is constantly active, aggressive, competitive, and ambitious. High levels of anxiety and worry are characteristic of these individuals, and they find it very difficult to let go. Here the autonomic nervous system is imbalanced in the direction of sympathetic dominance. This is a reflection of a highly externalized lifestyle in which there is excessive identification and attachment for the transitory events of life. This personality type is especially prone to cardiovascular disease, and practices such as yoga nidra nadi shavasana, ajay and paramamuksasana were most effective in restoring a degree of nervous balance in such individuals.